Want to become a pro at trading and ride the market waves like a seasoned investor? Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering trend trading strategies. Trend trading is all about identifying the direction of the market, up, down, or sideways, and capitalizing on it. Sounds simple, right? Well, let's break it down step by step. Step 1, spot the trend. Use tools like moving averages, trend lines, or the ADX indicator to determine if the market is bullish, bearish, or consolidating. Step 2, confirm the trend. Watch for breakouts above resistance or below support levels to ensure the trend is strong and valid. Step 3, time your entry. Patience is key. Wait for a pullback or retracement before entering your trade to maximize your profit potential. Step 4, manage your risk. Always set a stop loss to protect your capital and define a target price to lock in profits. Remember, discipline is the backbone of successful trading. Step 5, avoid false trends. In sideways markets, trends can appear misleading. Use additional indicators like the RSI or MACD to confirm momentum before committing to a trade. By mastering these strategies, you'll not only ride market trends, but also make informed decisions to maximize your profits while minimizing risks. Ready to dominate the markets? Hit that subscribe button for more trading tips.